Have you ever walked into a busy room, filled with sounds, sights, and smells, and still managed to focus on a single conversation? It is an amazing feat of the brain, processing countless bits of information while allowing us to zero in on what matters most. But how does our brain manage to sift through this constant flood of sensory input, preventing overwhelming chaos? The thalamus, a small but mighty structure located deep within your brain, is the primary reason we can achieve this incredible feat. It acts as the brain's crucial relay station and a sophisticated filter for almost all sensory information before that information reaches the cerebral cortex for conscious perception. Essentially, it decides which incoming signals are important enough to warrant your attention. The core mechanism behind this filtering power lies in the thalamus's intricate neuronal circuits and its reciprocal connections with the cerebral cortex. Each sensory modality, except for olfaction or smell, sends its input to a specific nucleus or group of neurons within the thalamus. Here, the signals are not just passively passed through. Instead, the thalamus actively modulates these signals using both excitatory and inhibitory neurons. It has the remarkable ability to amplify relevant information while simultaneously suppressing or attenuating less important input, acting like a dynamic volume and clarity control for your senses. This active filtering process allows us to engage in selective attention. For example, when you are reading a book in a coffee shop, your thalamus helps to dampen the sounds of clattering dishes and distant conversations, allowing the visual input from the words on the page to dominate your conscious awareness. It ensures that only processed, prioritized sensory data reaches higher cortical areas, which prevents sensory overload and enables clear cognitive function. This is how your brain efficiently manages its vast sensory workload. An important concept here is thalamic gating, which refers to the mechanism by which the thalamus regulates the flow of sensory information to the cortex. This gating is not static. It is highly dynamic and can be influenced by our emotional state, attention, and cognitive goals. Disruptions in this intricate filtering process can sometimes be observed in neurological conditions, such as the sensory processing differences seen in attention deficit hyperactivity disorder or in some aspects of schizophrenia, highlighting its critical role in healthy brain function. Ultimately, the thalamus is an indispensable conductor in the symphony of our senses, ensuring that our cerebral cortex receives a refined and interpretable stream of information. By actively filtering and prioritizing sensory input, it prevents our minds from being overwhelmed, allowing us to focus, understand, and interact effectively with our complex world. It is a vital component for conscious perception, attention, and overall cognitive clarity.